Do you want to have your own customized personal YouTube studio? Having your name boldly written on it, just like mine. Are you tired of having a random image or background image for your video? And you want to have your own personal customized studio? Just like what that's up there. Then you're on the right channel. Stick with me as I will show you step by step on how to generate this amazing customized YouTube studio by just using Chatgpt. Without wasting our time, let's dive in. Let's go. So we are right now on Chatgpt, the continuation of our video. I said earlier that you can generate a well customized YouTube studio background with Chatgpt. Let's proceed as I show you what we did earlier, or what I did earlier with Chatgpt. Okay, this is my conversation with Chatgpt, and I said I want you to generate a well structured sitting room background for my YouTube studio. Okay, this is the reply he sent to me. To generate a well structured sitting room background for your YouTube studio, I need more details to match your style and content. Here are some key questions. Theme and style. Do you prefer a modern, classic, minimalistic, cozy, or luxury style? Color scheme. What color do you want? Blah 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 blah. Element to include. Do you want bookshelves, plants, painting, blah blah blah? Lead light or any specific decor. Then branding. Would you like your channel name or logo sub to incorporated into the background? Purpose and content type. Is this for talking head, video, interviews, or storytelling? Lighting preference. Do you prefer warm ambient lighting, natural daylight, or lead accent? Sorry, I don't know if I got it well. Once you provide these details, I will generate a visually appearing sitting room background that enhance your YouTube studio setup. Okay, and I gave Chatgpt an answer or a response to what he said to me. Luxury style, blue and orange color, add bookshelves, touch of flowers. I sent my name as well, Chinedu. It should be in capital letters, talking head videos, and warm ambient lighting. So this is the result he sent to me, and this is amazing. Honestly speaking, this is purely amazing. But there's something I don't like: the pillow. I have to resend what I wanted again, and I added, do not add pillow on the chair. I don't want them. I don't want pillow. So look at the second one is sent. Excuse me. The second one is sent, and I still do not like it. And I resend again what I want, and look at what I added to it. Do not add pillow on the chair. It should be one single chair, because this one is generated. It's added 2 chairs. So, and I said it should be one single chair. Chair should face front like camera point. Maintain blue and orange color. So that this is the last one is sent, and honestly I love this one. I love the combination, this orange and blue color combination. I love it. Here is your luxury sitting room background for your YouTube studio. It includes a blue and orange color scheme, bookshelves, 2 flowers, natural daylight, and a single chair facing the camera with no pillows. Let me know if you need any refinement. This type of customized YouTube studio, nobody can steal it from you. Nobody can use it for user own content, because this kind of not a brand something. How will I put it? It is your identity. So whoever that see this thing, this studio belongs to so person, so it can't, nobody can steal it. You don't even need a copy. This is a copyright. Now if you say let me put a copyright on my studio background, this is your copyright, so nobody can do anything with it, nobody can use it. It's yours. So this is why I love it so much. So I think so okay, this last one is generated. Okay, this last one is generated for me. This is all beautiful. This is all beautiful, very classic. So guys, it's very easy to generate image or images from Chatgpt. Just give Chatgpt details of what you want, and if it did not give you what you want, go ahead until you get what you want. So we have come to the end of this tutorial, and if you think you find value in this simple beautiful video, go ahead, like, share, and hit that subscribe button. It will encourage me to keep on fishing and awesome content like this. So you guys, thank you and see you in my next video.